of them to get the latch right here. You'll have screws, one screw for your bottom speaker, which you want to take out and set that to the side also. Your jawbone connectors, you have one here at the bottom, a second. Your third one is your LCD jawbone connector, your fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh jawbone connector. You'll also take off your cable, one here and one here. Then you want to take your motherboard out and set it to the side like so. Once you're done doing that, what you can do is actually, I'm going to use the pick here. You can heat it up. Preferably, it would be nice to heat it up. What I'm going to do is use a putty knife if you don't have a hair dryer, and go ahead and take off the LCD. With heat, it would come up a lot easier because the adhesive wouldn't stick as much, and you can just push it down. Be careful not to cut yourself, and pry it up. Put your button to the side and your button holder to the side. Okay? We'll be replacing the LCD digitizer here. But before we do that, what we're going to do is put the adhesive down. Set this to the side. We're going to put the adhesive around the perimeter and the back so it does hold in place. You can use double-sided 3M tape, or if you purchased a kit offline, you can also use that. But before we actually put the LCD digitizer assembly in, what we have to do is actually put your button holder, your home button holder, into the new digitizer, LCD digitizer assembly, and you want to put that in, and then put your button into that. Once that's in, you're almost ready to go. You also want to put your grill, don't forget your grill, to put that in. There's two jawbone connectors that we'll be reconnecting to the motherboard. You want to go ahead and do that like so. Sliding the frame back into place. At the top left and the top right. You can test your button to make sure that you can feel the flex there. Once you feel the flex, you can go ahead and make sure that's adhered down. I'm going to go ahead and lay it back flat, put the motherboard back into the frame itself. Make sure that all of the cable is out of the way when you put your motherboard back in. Okay. Okay. Then what we'll do is reconnect the jawbone connectors, starting in the bottom right with the first one here. There's second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. And seventh. Then we'll reconnect the cables. Like so. There. And here. Okay. Once that's completed, you can put your bottom speaker back in. Screw your motherboard back down, right hand side. Reattach your back frame by pressing that down into place. You'll hear it snap. And then screw all of your screws back in to the frame. And once you have all of your screws back in, what you would do is go ahead and put your battery back in. SIM card, if you have a SIM card, being that this is Sprint, well, that's your SD card holder. Being that it's Sprint, you don't need one. And pop your back cover back on. And here is our new working Samsung Galaxy Note 2 LCD digitizer assembly in place. If you have any questions, or you need your Note 2 or Note 3 or Note 4 repaired, please give us a call at 404-259-0183. Thank you for watching another 404 computer repair video, and have a great day.